Which of the following is not having sp2 carbon, whereas the compounds are given by options provided for us are consisting of acetonitrile, acetic acid, acetone followed by acetamide. This is acetone system, whereas acetamide stands for C double bond ONH2. This is acetamide, whereas acetic acid, 2 carbon containing acid, is known as acetic acid. Acetonitrile stands for, this is CH3 followed by what? Cn is said to be acetonitrile. In this, sp2 carbon is present, sp2 is present, sp2 is present, but this is sp3, this is sp. We can't find any kind of sp2 in this case. A question is asked like this: CnH2nO2 matches for a open chain compound of which of the following? Whereas CnH2nO2, whereas options are consisting of carboxylic acid, diols, diketones followed by dialdehydes. Diols stands for like this, a minimum diol. If I write this is diol, but it doesn't have any kind of unsaturation. If I ignore this oxygen, it should satisfy the CnH2n plus 2 formula with respect to the hydrogens, that it is not present, and it does not matches. If I go for a diketone, a minimum diketone is this one, whereas if I ignore this oxygen, then it should consisting of, whereas this is carbon connected with CH3, here it is lack of what? Two hydrogens implies what? Here diene formula it should match, but it is CnH2n implies what? One alkene, hence it does not matches. Similarly, if I go for dialdehyde, a minimum dialdehyde is, this is aldehyde, this is also aldehyde. If I feel this oxygen is not present, then two hydrogens are less, implies one double bond here, one double bond here. Diene should be present, CnH2n minus 2, that is also not present, hence it doesn't matches. Whereas if I go for carboxylic acid, that is RCOOH. If carbon dioxide is removed, remaining R followed by H, that should matches with the alkane system. Whereas that alkane system, one carbon less by alkane system. One carbon less by alkane system implies this will become C of n minus 1. For C of n minus 1, it becomes C of n minus 1 into 2n plus 2. So therefore it matches, and two oxygens are present as a part and part of this one, followed by one oxygen, followed by one carbon. Hence this particular one is what? Carboxylic acid. Once again, if I repeat, if one carbon is removed, this will become C of n minus 1. If it is alkane, number of hydrogen should be CnH2n plus 2. So therefore H2n plus 2 stands for 2n minus 2 plus 2, that is H2n. Cn minus 1 H2n matches, followed by carbon dioxide. If it is added, this will become Cn. Two oxygens are present, hence this particular one is carboxylic acid. Which of the following is the wrong IUPAC name? And the corresponding options are, the corresponding structures and the names are given by like this. This is a 4 carbon system, 2 carbon system. This is C2 and this is C4. It is an ester, 2 carbon regular. So therefore ethyl butanoate, correct. Whereas in this case, this total consisting of 4 carbons, and it is butanol. At the third position, it is having methyl. So therefore this is 3-methyl butanol, provided is also 3-methyl butanol is correct. Whereas in this case, highest priority functional group, so therefore this will becomes 2-methyl butan 3-ol is wrong. We are expecting here butan 2-ol followed by 3-methyl, and it appears to be wrong. The last case for the cross checking of correctness, it is middle. Substitutions are present at this, so minimum number to provide for the substitutions, it becomes 2-methyl pentan 3-ol. It is also correct. Hence the wrong assumption is like this. On cross checking, this was given as 3-methyl followed by butan 1-ol only, butanol, hence it is correct. The wrong one is here, it should get the minimum, that is 2-hydroxy followed by 3-methyl. If it appears, it is correct, but it is not present, hence this particular case will becomes wrong. Remaining all are found to be what? Correct. Option C is our incorrect option for the given varieties of 4.